Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Mohsin Riaz, Subject Specialist, Pakistan Studies at Divisional Public School and Inter College, Sahiwal. I welcome you on online classes at DPS and Inter College, Sahiwal. Let's have a look on today's lesson. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Learning objectives of the today's lesson are: by the end of the lesson, you will be able to explain the evacuation of local community, describe the decline of Indus Valley civilization. In the previous lesson, we have discussed that people of Indus Valley had knowledge of art and architecture. They know how to make bricks. They constructed houses with profound and deep foundation, paid attention to external beauty of the houses. These houses had bathroom, ladder, and more than one story. They also constructed roads. The bigger road was 1 kilometer long and 9 meters wide. Now we will discuss the first topic, evacuation of local community. People of Indus Valley were civilized, peaceful, and developed. Aryans destroyed their graceful civilization. Aryans were warriors, they had war horses and excellent weapons. When Aryans attacked Indus Valley inhabitants, they could not face them. Aryans had pushed the local community towards southeast and became occupants. Now we will discuss the topic, decline of Indus Valley civilization. The progress of Indus Valley civilization was magnificent. Indus Valley civilization progressed gradually and affected vast region. But it suddenly disappeared in 1500 BC. Its sites had been buried into earth. Its art, religion, and culture were invisible from outside. There is great difference among archaeologists to find the reasons about decline of Indus Valley civilization. It is estimated that both internal and external factors were involved in its decline. So, one of the main reasons of decline of Indus Valley civilization was natural calamities. Some experts think that destruction of this civilization was due to natural calamities like earthquake and floods. Some of the experts think that epidemics and diseases played significant role to destroy Indus Valley civilization. Third reason of destruction of Indus Valley civilization was considered that there was drought which caused destruction of Indus Valley civilization. According to one opinion, when rivers changed their course, then supply of water had become impossible and this region had become barren. Well-populated cities on the banks of rivers had been utterly destroyed. Some experts are of the opinion that people intensively cultivated the land. They had finished the fertility of land by cutting the forest. The pastures of animals had come to an end. So some experts considered that the trade had been finished with Mesopotamia and other contemporary civilizations. A major portion of income could not be retained due to this reason. when cities and colonies had been ruined, then people migrated to other places. So now we will recapitulate the topic. आज हमने देखा कि जब आर्यन इंडस वैली पर हमलावर हुए तो उन्होंने लोकल्स को साउथ ईस्ट की तरफ धकेल लिया। लोकल्स चूँकि तहजीब याफ्ता और पुरअमन लोग थे, ना ही इनके पास लड़ने को हथियार थे, जबकि इसके बरक्स आर्यन जंगजू थे और हथियारों से लैस थे। इसलिए इस जंग में आर्यंस को कामयाबी मिली और उन्होंने इस वैली पर कब्जा कर लिया। दूसरा टॉपिक जो हमने डिस्कस किया उसमें हमने देखा कि इंडस वैली जो कि इंतहाई अच्छे तरीके से बनाई गई थी, इनका सोशल सिस्टम, लाइफस्टाइल, टाउन प्लानिंग, ड्रेनेज सिस्टम, वेट्स एंड मीयर, अगरचे सब चीज़ें रिफाइन थी, फिर इसके साथ साथ किस तरह से अचानक ये वैली गायब हो गई, इसके बारे में मुख्तलिफ़ किस्म की आरा है। कुछ एक्सपर्ट कहते हैं सैलाब और जलजला इनकी तबाही की वजह बना, जबकि कुछ समझते हैं हो सकता है कोई वबा या बीमारी ने इस वैली को घेर लिया हो। कुछ कहते हैं खुश्क साली इसकी वजह बनी, जबकि कुछ एक्सपर्ट की ये राय है कि बहुत ज़्यादा कार से ज़मीन की ज़रखेज़ी ख़त्म हो गई जो कि इसके खात्मे का सबब बनी, जबकि कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि दूसरी सिविलाइजेशन के साथ तजारत का खात्मा हो गया जिसकी वजह से इंडस वैली तबाही के दहाने पर पहुंच गई। Now we will take assessment. So who will tell me who destroyed the Indus Valley civilization? Yes, very right. Aryans. Okay, next question is, what type of people were the inhabitants of Indus Valley civilization? Yes, very right. Option C, civilized. So next question is, where had migrated the local population after the arrival of Aryans? Yes, very right. Option C, southeast. So who will tell me when did Indus Valley civilization disappeared? Yes, very right. Option A, 1500 BC. So next question is, what type of people were the Aryans? Yes, very right. Option C, warrior. Aryans were warrior. So now it is the time of homework. You should learn and write the topics evacuation of local community to southeast and decline of Indus Valley civilization. I hope you enjoy the lesson. In case of any difficulty, you may ask at WhatsApp. So take care of yourself, keep learning, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.